All right, guys, we made it to day 6. This is your HIIT workout. So if I were you, I'd put on some tennis shoes, but obviously totally up to you. This workout is going to be designed around getting your heart rate up, moving, jumping, lunging. So obviously I'll offer you modifications if you need it. It's not too long, so you can get through this. Let's commit to those 15 solid minutes of sweaty work. Again, the purpose of moving every day with me in these 30 days is not that I'm the only way to get your movement, okay? And I think that's what keeps you motivated. So it's that, 15 minutes of HIIT followed by 15 minutes of yoga. Or you have a 15 or 30-minute run before this and then you do your HIIT workout. And that to me is a way to stay motivated because it's exciting. You have different opportunities to work out with different people if you're doing multiple videos. Or you can use a lot of stuff that I have on my channel, or it's a way for you to get outside and use the equipment that you have. All right, let's do this day 6 for this HIIT workout. Let's get warmed up. So go ahead and fold forward, take a big stretch, butt to the sky, head down. Good, roll it up nice and slow. Reach up, lean back. Good, and then exhale, fold forward again. Step back to down dog, so take a big step back, and now you're gonna step your right foot forward to the outside of your right hand for a nice deep stretch here. Good, exhale, step it back. Left foot's gonna step outside of left hand, deep, deep stretch. Good, exhale, step back, reach up, lower your knees down, bring your palm behind your head, open up. Good, exhale, feed it down. Do that once more. Open it up and feed it down. Good, reach up, 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 arm up, switch sides. So right hand down, left hand behind head, lean back, open. Exhale, reach down, lean back and open. Good, exhale, reach down. Take a big lean, reach up high. Good, relax. All right, guys, let's get started here with some squats in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Squat and up, squat and up. Good, now you can go fast, you can go slow. You do you. We've got 8, 7, 6, 5. And maybe today, guys, is all you got is that 15 to 20 minutes to set aside in your day because you're taking care of kids, you're working long hours, you're trying to prepare food, you're trying to clean the house, you're trying to do 100 other things. So guess what? It's also okay that you don't pair this with something else and that this is what you do. So remember, doing something is better than doing nothing, right? Unless you need that rest day. Let's do 4, 3, 2, 1. Good, let's go to plank. In 3, 2, climb your mountain. Good, bring your knees to your chest. Keep your hips low. Jog here. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, push back to dog. Reach opposite hand to foot. Come forward. Reach forward. Reach forward. Good. Reach forward. Reach forward. Good. 4. Reach. 3. Reach. 2. Reach. 1. Step the right foot up. Good. Lunge position. Right foot up, left knee in. Good. Bring that knee to your chest. Sweep your arms back. Give me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Bring that knee up. Good. Reach down, come up. Reach down, come up. 8, whew, lift up. 7, up. 6, single leg RDL. Feel that booty. Good, last 4. Bring it up. 3, give me 2 more right here. 2, last time. Good, exhale. Option 1, squats. Option 2, jump squats. Good, your choice. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, plank. Good. climb your mountain in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. In. Now you can go slow or find that speed. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Push back. Option 1, tap, come forward, tap, come forward. Option 2, tap, forward, push up, tap, forward, push up, up. Now you can alternate. So you can always tap, come forward, tap, push up. All right, your choice. You can not do a push-up or you can add that push-up, all right? If you worked with me yesterday, we did our arm video yesterday, so your arms may feel tired. For 4, 3, 2, 1. Good, left foot forward, lunge position. 3, 2, 1. Back knee, up, up, up. 8, 7, 6, 5. Come on. 4, 3, 2. Stay. Down. 2. Up. 2. Down. 2. Up. Breathe. Down. 2. Up. 2. Down. 2. Up. 6 more. Down. 2. Up. Control. Down. 2. Up. Control. Down. 2. Up. Last 3. Down. 2. Up. 2 more. Down. 2. Up. 1 more rep. Down. 2. Up. 2. Good job, guys. Now, go ahead and find that long edge of your mat. So depending on how you're set up, find that. Good, step to the middle. 3, 2, 1, lateral, together. Lateral, good. Stay slow. Good, control that weight, sit back. Nice. 4, 3, 2, stay here. Good, get really, really low in 3, 2, 1, switch sides. Lateral, side 2. Step, step, good. Step, step. Nice. Control, 4, 3, 2. Stay low, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring those knees up, high knees. Good, option 1, lower intensity, okay? Option 2, up. 8, 7, 6, higher. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now alternate, ready? Lateral, together, lateral, good. Step, together, step, woo. 8, 7, 6, catch your breath. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Toes out, 10 and 2. Squats. Squat. Good. Wide legged. Good. Give me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now pivot forward. Option 1, squat, reach, squat, reach. Option 2, squat, jump, squat, jump. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Let's go to plank. Holding here for 4, 3, 2. Walk those hands back to your feet. Good. Roll it on up. Nice. High knees in 3, 2, 1. Option 1, option 2. Good. So it's that up, down. It gets that heart rate up. 4, 3, 2, hold, plank. Good, this time shoulder taps. Hold this, 4, 3, 2, walk your hands back, fold, come on up, ready? High knees, come on, come on. You're over halfway, guys, push. 4, 3, 2, hold. Now, this next exercise is called a front lunge. If it's too hard, you're gonna step back instead of forward. Hands on your hips. Step forward, back, forward, back. Good, so if you can't get that alignment with your knee, then instead go up to the top and step the other way, okay? 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, stay forward, lunge, 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 4, 3, 2, step back, step forward, lunge, 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 good, 4, 3, 2, 1. Feet together, have a seat. Good. First time we bring it to seated is right here. Sit up nice and tall. Twisting, adding a sit up and a crunch in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Twist, twist. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sit up. Come down. Crunch up. Crunch down. Sit up. Good. 8, 7, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sit up. Come all the way back. Crunch up. Down. Good. Twist, twist. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sit up. Come down. Crunch up. Down. Come up. Good. 8, 7, 6, 5. I know I'm adding 4, giving you a break. 3, 2, 1, and 1. Sit up. Good. 8 crunches. 8, 7, 6. Support your head if you need to. 4, 3, 2. Come down. Sit up 4 times. So that's 1, 2. Come on. 3 and 4. Perfect. Feet flat. 1, 2, 3. Hips up. Good. And down. Hips up and down. You got 8, 7. Tone that butt. 6, 5. We worked on that 2 days ago, right? 4, 3, 2, 1. Rock your feet up off the ground. No hands. Get up if you can. It's a tough one, all right? Drop down to your knees. Step up. Right foot, left knee. Right foot, left foot. Right knee, left knee. Right foot, left foot. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Switch sides. Left, right, left, up, left, right, left, up, left, right, left, up. Good. 4, up, 3, up. Last 2, guys. 2, up. 1 more. 1. Good. Exhale. High plank hold in 3, 2. Get there. Nice. Back to those shoulder taps. Good. So guys, this is it. We're finishing up that last minute of this HIIT workout. If you want more, if you loved it, guess what? Hit play, do it again. If you're done, towel off, drink water, and then give yourself a high five. If you're adding on, pair it with a yoga video, pair it with a run, a bike, some core. We didn't do a whole lot of core, right? Let's do this. 8, 7, this is it. 6, 5, woo, 4, 3, 2, so proud, hold, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job, guys. That was a solid 15 minutes of work. You got me nice and sweaty. So did this bright light that shines on me while I teach these videos. But anyways, awesome job. If you have any questions about the movement, comment below. Thank you. Tomorrow's day 7. You're almost a week into this month, okay? Stay with me. I appreciate you so much for working out with me. Feel free to share this HIIT workout. It's hard, it's sweaty, and when you share it, you show someone that you did it, all right? Way to go. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 7.